Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rafiq Dar, your brain coach, and today I'm going to briefly explain how childhood trauma is going to impact your marriage life. Sometimes the fight between husband and wife is not real. It may be due to your past and present. Let's understand how childhood trauma is going to change your brain actually, and then how it impacts your marriage life. First of all, let me briefly define what is childhood trauma. Basically, sometimes the traumatic events are not so big. Even smaller traumatic issues can be so lethal. Usually, while you are a child, even minor things can be a trauma for you. Like sometimes if you are ignored, criticized, unloved, the brain perceives it as a psychological trauma while you are a child. And when you are adult and you are going to decide any big thing for you, like marriage, that creates a stress in you because your emotional mind is already on due to psychological trauma. So while you are going to decide any big thing, like marriage is a big thing for any person. So when you decide marriage for yourself, your emotional brain got more activated. And when this is activated, you will be feeling fear, you will be feeling lack of trust with a partner. You may be giving a silent treatment due to lack of trust to the partner. And that is going to create relationship issues. And that will create behavioral changes like frustration, anger, stress, anxiety, lack of intimacy, and that is going to end with a fight. And people say that the fight is between husband and wife, but the true reason is not. True reason is the psychological trauma that happened in the past while you were a child. So, what to do in this situation? Let me explain you one more important thing. Just remember, psychological trauma in your childhood is not your fault. But healing is your responsibility. And for healing, I suggest every person to become emotionally intelligent. And you know what is emotional intelligence? You can watch my other videos on emotional intelligence. Because if you are intelligent, emotionally intelligent, your cognitive brain area, prefrontal cortex of your brain will got activated. And you know the prefrontal cortex is a brain area which is responsible for proper assessment, judgment, planning, and more importantly, the decision making. So if you are in this situation, if you got your prefrontal cortex activated, you will be able to decide the best in this situation. And if your decision is good, obviously your relationship will be fine. So there is need to learn emotional intelligence, and you will be good enough to manage this situation in marriage life. I'm sure you have liked this video, but still if you have any question, please write me in the comment section and definitely I will answer.